What do you do when the people you trust the most sell you as if you were nothing? I was only 17, and my own brothers betrayed me. My father loved me more than the rest. He clothed me with a robe of many colors, a sign of favor. But favor, it can feel like fire on your back when jealousy burns in others' eyes. One night I dreamed. Sheaves of wheat bowed before mine. Stars and the sun bowed too. I told my brothers, I thought it was from God, but to them, it was arrogance, fuel to hatred already smoldering. One moment I was walking to greet them. The next, hands shoved me, robe torn from my back, laughter sharp as knives. I cried out, "Brother, help me!" But their eyes were stone. Then I heard coins clink, silver exchanged. My brothers' voices cut deeper than chains. Come, let us sell him. I was no longer a brother. I was merchandise. Egypt smelled of incense and iron. I was bought like cattle by Potiphar, captain of Pharaoh's guard. Yet, even in that foreign land, I felt the Lord near. My hands prospered, my work flourished. Potiphar trusted me with his house. But success draws eyes, and not all are righteous. His wife's gaze lingered too long. Her words whispered like venom, "Lie with me." I fled temptation, but lies chained me. She screamed, "He tried to defile me," and they believed her. Stone walls became my home, darkness my companion. But even there, the Lord's favor found me. The jailer trusted me. Prisoners shared their dreams, and I interpreted. One cupbearer, one baker. I told them what God revealed. One would live, one would die. And it happened just as I said. I begged the cupbearer, "Remember me when you stand before Pharaoh." But he forgot. Two years passed in shadows, until one night Pharaoh dreamed. Cows, fat and thin, grain, plentiful and wasted. None could explain it. Then the cupbearer remembered. They dragged me from the dungeon, shaved my face, clothed me in linen. Pharaoh's eyes pierced me. "I hear you can interpret dreams." I answered not with pride, but truth. It is not I, but God who will give Pharaoh an answer. And God gave me the meaning. 7 years of plenty, 7 years of famine. Pharaoh lifted me above all Egypt, from prisoner to prince. I oversaw the harvest, silos filled, cities stocked, Egypt prepared. Then famine struck, as God had shown. The world came to Egypt for bread. Among them were faces I never thought I'd see again. My brothers. They bowed before me, just as in my dream. But vengeance? It tempted me. I tested their hearts, their loyalty to one another. And when Judah offered himself in place of Benjamin, I could not hold back. Tears broke free. My voice thundered through the hall. I am Joseph, your brother. They trembled, thinking I would destroy them. But I said, do not fear. What you meant for evil, God meant for good, to save many lives. My story was never about betrayal or power, but about God's hand weaving purpose through pain. He turned chains into crowns, pits into promises, tears into triumph. If God could lift me from slavery to save a nation, then He can redeem your story too. What others mean for harm, God can turn for good. Have you ever faced betrayal and wondered if God could still use your pain? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.